Let's learn some English words. Laugh. Verb to make the sounds that show you are happy or amused. Noun, the sound or act of laughing. Sentence, the boy is laughing. Giggle. Verb, to laugh in a silly way that you cannot control because you are nervous or amused. Noun, a nervous silly laugh. There are two types of giggles. First one is nervous giggle. Sentence, the girl is giggling. Second one is uncontrollable giggle. Sentence, the kid is giggling. Chuckle. Verb, to laugh quietly. Noun, a quiet laugh. Sentence, the lady is chuckling. Grin. Verb, to give a broad smile so that you show your teeth. Noun, a wide smile flashing teeth. It is a facial expression. Sentence, the man is grinning. The girl is grinning. Jerry is grinning from ear to ear. Smile. Verb, to make a happy or friendly expression in which the corners of your mouth curve up. Noun, happy or friendly expression on the face in which the ends of the mouth curve up slightly. Sentence, Barack Obama is smiling. Tom is smiling. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Like this video and share. Thank you for watching.